Say good morning, YouTube. Anyway, me and Javon are headed to STM right now. We are finally going to get our dyno done on the car because I just want to have the footage and the starting horsepower on paper so that I'll know how much each mod pretty much increased the horsepower to. So that's where we headed to right now. It's about, I think, 12 minutes or something from here. I'm estimating, it's weird because I haven't watched any other dynos on any other charger, so I'm thinking 640 horsepower or something like that to the wheel. At least what it should be. You ain't gonna say what up to YouTube, man? You used to be on the channel all the time, Javon. Say what's up, YouTube. He acting funny today. He acting stink. He ain't want to get up. He ain't want to do nothing today. But anyway, we're gonna head over there right now. Hopefully, my appointment's still good. They ain't having no mishaps or nothing going on inside the dyno. Everything is good to go. Cause I definitely want to get these numbers on so I can slap this intake on today and see how it sounds. And then also I want to go back to the dyno and see how much power we got from just that intake. So when we get to STM, I'm gonna record once we get back to STM. But let me tell you a little bit of something. Let me tell y'all one quick thing about STM. They are a really good shop from what I know. They hold the record for one or two of the fastest Evos, I believe. So I'm gonna actually put a video of their Evo running like, I want to say 7s or 8s or something like that in the video right now. So we're pulling up to STM right now. Pretty much, if you've never been to if you live in Rochester or upstate New York and you've never been to like a STM dyno day, oh, excuse me. If you've never been to a STM dyno day, literally this whole street be filled with cars on both sides in the grass. It'd be, it's a nice little event that they do. Oh shoot, we got the 600 LT up here today. There's an Evo. That 600 LT is stupid nice. Yeah, that's hot. He also got I believe a twin turbo Huracan as well. Yeah, that joint's so clean. But let's park this real quick. Actually, we'll park it right there. Another GTR in the back, wrapped. We going inside there. We going inside the store. Yeah. Let me get Javon out the car seat real quick, and then as soon as they get the car strapped on the dyno and stuff. Look at this. This is nice. Got a carbon fiber lip kit in the front. Carbon fiber hood, big turbo right there. Ooh, this is clean. Yeah, this 600 LT is crazy. It's got the orange seat belts, orange calipers. All this carbon fiber in the front. You like this car, Papa? That's the garbage trucks probably sounding like that. Yeah, this is crazy. That's nice. Nice. Got the gloss wheels on it. 285, 35, 20s. Yeah, this joint's stupid. I like it. So it's pretty much got the car on the lift right now on the dyno. Look at this. Look at this Honda hatch. They got all ripped out. The thing fast. He's got GTR back here with the wrap on it. That's crazy. That's tough. That's nice. There go Daddy's car. You kept asking for it. Daddy's car. Look, got all the Evos. They They got the Lambo over there, look. See the Lamborghini? The twin turbo Lamborghini they got. You see it? You like it? It's loud, right? I told you it's gonna be loud. I've never seen one like built into the ground like that. That's pretty nice. It's a nice setup. They got some sticky tires right there, the Toyos. Oh my God, that's loud. It ain't though no rock. Let's see what he got. I really can't see from over here. So this is a Mustang dyno, by the way, too. So my numbers are definitely gonna read lower.
He's done?
No, I think he got 2 more to do. 2 more to do. Told you it was loud. Nah, I told him it was gonna be loud.
Yeah, just wait. I had it in 4-wheel drive mode, so numbers are completely wrong.
Okay. And you already knew to turn the SRT button, all that. Oh,
Yep.
yeah. I figured you already knew how to do all that.
Yeah. Let it cool off for a second. I'll do another one.
Okay. You like it? It's loud, right?
Gonna drive over here?
No.
You're gonna drive in here?
No, they put other cars right here. Damn, why my car looks so good? You gonna do another one, you ready? So he said he had it in 4-wheel drive mode, so the numbers came out real low. What jump? The car jump?
Yeah.
I didn't see it jump. You like that? It's loud? So on the Mustang dyno, the first pull was 5. The first pull was like 4 something because he had it in all-wheel drive mode. Second pull was 5. Uh-oh. They ain't gonna be able to hear me. The second was 538. And that's the last one right there. So we should get our paperwork soon. That should have been like 540 or whatever. All right, so the last pull was 544. Now I expected it not to be in the 6s because it's a Mustang dyno, so it's gonna read a little lower than it should. But how you like it? How was your dyno experience? Why you don't want to talk? All right, come on, we're gonna go back in the building. He's gonna unstrap the car, and then we're gonna go meet mommy for lunch. You want smoothie? No smoothie? We was just over there, Papa.
I'm gonna go.
He's gonna take the car off.
I'm gonna go.
All right, come on, let's go. You wanna go back over there? You can't go in though. You can only watch. TR is crazy. I know for all I know it's some fans that love this. This is crazy. It's a crazy wrap. And then they got the Maserati over there, which is really nice. Old Mazzy though. Come on, we're gonna go to the front. We're gonna go to the front. I really like the Supra they got up here. They literally bought a Supra just to tear it apart and manufacture some parts, which is a smart business move because you're gonna sell a lot. They already sell a lot of parts for their Evos. It is raining. That's why we're gonna go home. So today was a pretty good day too. It was pretty nice outside. It's like 68 degrees. The wind was blowing in there pretty well too. So along with that Evo, the wind was blowing pretty good too. So I'm pretty sure the numbers were as accurate as possible. Sound like 4th gear pulls, which is where it's supposed to be, or 5th gear pulls. I'm not sure which one of those, but 544 was what the numbers was. Like 500 foot-pounds of torque or something crazy like that. But again, now it's on a Mustang dyno, so it's gonna read lower numbers. The average should read about 630, 640, something like that if it's not on a Mustang dyno. But we're gonna get the paperwork and then we're gonna get out of here. We're gonna go have lunch with mommy, right? Huh? We're gonna go have lunch with mommy?
Yeah.
All right, let's go. All right, so we headed back home right now. So we got the dyno sheet. It's really hard to read, but they gave us a USB flash drive. So I'm gonna plug it in and I'm gonna actually just put the graph right on the screen for y'all so y'all can see, because I don't know why the one they printed came out like that. Doesn't even have like numbers on the bottom or anything, but it should be good. But pretty much 544 wheel horsepower and like 5 and something torque. But remember, y'all gotta remember, it's a dyno. It's a Mustang dyno, so the numbers are gonna read way lower than they should be, which I already understood going in there. I already knew that. So I'm gonna get I got an intake in the trunk. We're gonna put the intake on probably later on today, and then we're gonna go back and do another dyno just to see how much power we gain just from the intake. What happened? The horn. Yeah, I'm not. You want me to beep at the people in front of us? Why?
Because it isn't back there.
That's rude. You don't beep at people in front of you just to beep at them.
I'm in my car.
Yeah, this is your car, but you can't beep at people just because. Today a really good day to be out too. It's a nice cruise day. Weather not too hot. It's the wind blowing. It's nice and cool. 74 degrees.
That guy's clock.
I'm pretty happy, man. My son got to see the car on the dyno. He liked it. He was a little shy just being in. He get a little shy being in public places, period. But for overall, he liked it pretty much. So, you like how loud the car was at the shop? They got mad rocks right here. I'm not feeling that. I don't know why they got a bunch of rocks in the middle of the road. You know, I've been to the dyno a couple times, but I really wanted to go just to take him, just to see what his experience is, because he young, so I kind of want to get him into the car stuff like right now while he young. But I'm about to pull up to my house. I'm gonna plug in my USB and I want to look at this graph real quick. Here's the paper dyno right here that they got. Y'all can see pretty much about 540 and some change. It kind of keeps going up. I'm gonna actually, we just made it back home. I'm gonna actually throw in USB graph in the video right now. You ready to go in the house? Yeah, come on, let's go get something to eat real quick. And then we'll put our intake on, okay? You gonna help me put the intake on? Yeah. Gotta start them young, y'all, but we back. The car did really good. Sounded great. I think I should get the mids cut off really soon, so should get the mids cut off soon. She looking good though, y'all. Looking good. Say bye, YouTube. Say peace out. Being mad shy today. You used to always be in my videos. Now you don't want to be in my videos. Say peace out, YouTube. That's his peace sign, but that's it. That's all y'all get. We out, man. Peace.
Find you